where should I live today? Ooh, I know. I'll live in Kylie Jenner's house. So here I am in Calabasas, where Kylie lives, and I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of house shopping, pick out some cute houses, really whatever I wanna buy. So I'm just gonna say hi to some of my neighbors. Ooh, there's Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton lives over there, and oh my gosh, Kim only lives a block away, my sister. So I think I'm gonna get this one. This one would be really good for all of my shoes because it's a bit small. Ooh, okay, this one would be good for all of my hats because I have a lot of hats. I think I'll get this house just for my dog Norman because he needs a lot of space. I kind of think it still might be a little too small, but you know what? We're gonna try, we're gonna make it work. Also, if you guys could please go out and buy some Kylie cosmetics today, that would be so helpful because then I can buy the whole block. Hey guys, it's Marissa, and today's video is going to be if I lived in Kylie Jenner's house. My dream. And you guys love all of my if I lived-ins. I've been doing them forever, and I kind of thought, why not live in Kylie's house? Like, it's probably a mansion. So this is like what I would imagine living in Kylie's house would be. Comment down below which of the Kardashian / Jenner sisters is your fave. I think Khloe's my fave actually, Khloe Kardashian. Yeah. And thumbs up. First 5,000 thumbs ups are gonna meet Kylie Jenner. Panda fam, gonna make it happen. And I will link my If I Lived In playlist down below so you guys can see me living in like Universal Studios and Starbucks and a toy store and a makeup store and a zoo and a mall and everywhere you could ever imagine. And subscribe if you're not already for more If I Lived In videos, and turn on the notification bell to join the Panda fam. And on to the video. I'm Kylie and this is my life. So I like to start off my day with a nice refreshing money bath. I know some people just like to take baths with like water and stuff, but I feel like nothing just gets me cleaner for the day than bathing in some fresh money. You seriously have to try it. I literally cannot start my day until I've had my money bath. Let's be real, guys. Even though I'm Kylie Jenner, I still have to use the toilet sometimes. Like, not that often, I'll be real, but sometimes. No more toilet paper. Oh, what should I do? Oh, I've got an idea. I've got some leftover money from my bath this morning. Ooh, 100 or 1. I think I'm just gonna go with the 100 because, I don't know, I just have a better feeling about it. The 100 definitely feels softer. So, as everyone knows, I recently gave birth to my beautiful baby girl, Stormy. Isn't she just like the cutest thing you've ever seen? I love to spend quality time with Stormy before I send her to her nanny. Mommy loves you, Stormy. I just got a new Ferrari actually to add to my car collection, and yeah, it's just really a cute car. I don't actually like drive it, but it's just like cute, you know? Are you jealous? I know pretty much everyone is. Now I'm just sunbathing in my yard. Oh, my mom should be coming over any second now, but just getting in a tan.
Kylie, go put some clothes on.
Mom, I'm just showing off the body that God and Dr. Urian gave to me. Oh. Now it's just time
time for my makeup routine.
Time to test out all of my new Kylie cosmetics. Let's do this shade. The secret is to overline your lips.
I usually spend about 2 hours outlining my lips.
So gorgeous. Let's do one more coat. I feel like this is just a really natural look. Like what I love about these Kylie lip kits is like my lips, they don't look like too much, you know? Like it's just enough. I feel like they look really natural. I feel like that's really what I try and embrace at Kylie Cosmetics, just like embracing your natural beauty. I feel like with the new year and stuff, like this is my year of realizing things. So thank you guys so much for watching If I Lived in Kylie's House. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notif bell to join the Panda fam, best fam in the world. And I love you guys. Mwah. Big kiss and bye guys.